So welcome to another episode of The Coolest Pirate. Sorry it's been a while. Just a lot going on with work and stuff. So in this episode I'm going to put the mast in the middle of the boat. And we'll go for there and get some tarpaulin over the sides. And yeah. So I'm planning on putting the mast, which is this here, all the way in the centre of the boat, and then draping tarpaulin off the sides, and that will stop all the leaks. So stay tuned for more. Here we have the furlex, I think that's what it's pronounced. So I'm going to dismantle this and put it away, so when the boat's finished it can be reassembled and serviced, etc. and used again. So I'm back up on the boat obviously. As I said, got the mast in the middle of the boat. So now basically need to take, I believe they're called stanchions, maybe saying that wrong. I need to take these off, so that's what I'm going to do today. So basically I need to take these stanchions off to make it quite an even surface for the water to fall off, sort of roll off when it's on the tarpaulin. So hopefully they should come out pretty simply. They may not, but it's a high possibility they don't. But so that's a pin. Hey, here we go, there's one out. And I'll just continue that along, so I'll stop talking and you can just watch it. Oh, fuck's sake. So I'm going to try this, certainly with this. I'm just going to try. There we go. Must have been maybe wiggling a bit. Perfect. So another one off. Right. And move on. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the safety lines off that run through on the side. And then hopefully remove these stanchions on this side. So obviously I'm removing these so I can slide it through the actual poles themselves, just like this, and I can reattach them in some storage somewhere. Hey. So that's one side, all the stanchion poles and the cable off. It's just this other side to do, this last one. But it seems to be a bit of a tough nut. It doesn't seem to want to come out, but I'm sure with a little bit of persuasion we'll get him out somehow. So unfortunately, this guy didn't want to play ball. I don't know what that is, but obviously it's been beautified. I think what's happened is one of the screws that I removed, this one here, now as you can see, completely different sizes. So I think what's happened is, well, not completely, but you know what I mean, I think this one's broke, because as you can see in here, it's like there's stuff in it. So I don't know if that's old stuff, so it's like it's broken off and maybe water's got into here and bonded them together maybe. I don't know, but I mean that is not up for moving. So yeah, so everyone out apart from this one was a bit up to no good. So here's the cover I'm going to put over the boat. It's already been on the boat, but it's too long, so I'm going to have to cut some off it. So I'm just going to set the camera up and we'll see how we get on. So basically so far it's over. It's really a two-person job, but I need to find out a way that I can pull it up and take it off by myself. So each time I'm up I'll maybe cut another bit off or try and shape it a little bit better. I've still got extra stuff there, so yeah, but thanks for joining as well. I'll take a wee walk round just to show you what I did with the rope. Bungee cord, which by the way I think is probably made by aliens. So yeah, but thanks again, and see you again next time. So as you can see, I just put eyelets in the tarpaulin, well, dry proof and stuff, and I just thread it through, thread the bungee cord through, and I've just kind of made like a contraption to either side, just so it's not pulling, so it doesn't rip. So yeah, but the idea is that I can use a stick, my big stick, and I can kind of poke it back and try and shape it as best as I can. But yeah, I mean, this will do just now. So yeah.